the corner of Island Avenue and 14th Street for breakfast at Izola Bakery.
Okay, so we are at Izola Bakery in the Gaslamp district of San Diego. It's a croissant sourdough coffee place that is supposed to be, I think, the world's best bakery.
Well, I don't know. You did the research. We'll see if it's the world's best. Have we been to every single bakery in the world? How would you actually rate that? It's probably going to be very good. I know I'm super hungry, so...
I'm starving.
Yeah, let's just make this...
All right, so we're going to go in order and we'll show you what we get.
I was going to say, let's make this short. Let's get in there. Alright, so we're in line waiting to order, but I just showed a shot of the menu. I don't know how much of it you could see from this distance, but they have a lot of different really nice looking things, croissant. They're big. Like I'll show you when we get up to the bar. But you can also get coffee, obviously tea, soda, but they do have some alcoholic beverages in the morning as well. So it smells amazing in here.
It does.
Yeah.
It smells really good.
I know, I'm so freaking hungry.
Oh my gosh, look. I guess wait till we get up.
That's a little sneak peek.
How are you doing?
So it's a total warehouse kind of vibe in here. Like nothing fancy about this place at all. But that kind of adds to the cool, chic vibe of it. We got areas where you can sit outside. We've got these garage doors here that I'm assuming would open at different points.
I would think so.
It's definitely a dog-friendly hangout, as I think a lot of places in San Diego are.
Oh yeah, I've already seen 4 dogs in the bakery.
Yeah, and there's a whole bunch out there.
So Izola is rated the best bakery in the country.
Gotcha.
Not in just San Diego, in the country.
And
so,
how did we get that rating? Was there a bakery rating board that said, yeah, we're going to rate you the best? I don't know. It does look fantastic. If it tastes half as good as it smells, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
It smells amazing.
It's very, very cool. So, yeah, we placed our order. You got the almond, what did you get?
The Tahitian morning caramel nut.
Gotcha. And your coffee was the iced coconut latte?
Yes. Creamy latte.
And I got the Moroccan olive croissant. Just seemed interesting with that, and a mocha.
Okay.
Because there's like French chocolate in the mocha that's hot.
Oh.
So there you go.
I have the Moroccan black olive and Tahitian vanilla.
Beautiful.
Just as like 130. Okay. And I have your bread knife there.
Nice.
It's like a chainsaw.
Yeah, it's kind
Yeah,
of.
really.
You'd think it's like overkill, but it's actually pretty useful. Yeah.
To celebrate the season finale of Dexter. Oh, all right. Thanks. Yours first.
Sure.
It's warm.
I like the knife that they give you. Looks very Dexterish. It's warm?
Yes. No?
That is one big croissant.
This knife works perfectly with this croissant. I think they planned it out. Ooh. You hear that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, do you smell that? As Joe's cutting into the croissant, you can just smell all the bakery goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Okay, why don't you taste yours first so you can judge if this is actually the best bakery in the country. Is it warm? Is it flaky?
Yeah, that is really good.
Would you say that's the best croissant you've ever had in your whole life?
Here comes our coffee.
Okay, so Joe's Mocha is on the left and my coconut cream latte is on the right. So pretty.
Look at the inside of this. And it is really light and flaky. Oh, very nice. Let's see. Lovely picture, Jennifer. All right, you need to try your croissant.
Okay. Mine's not a croissant though. Mine's a bun.
Oh, yours is a bun. It's a
Tahitian
twisty
from-
knot.
Oh my god. That is a party in my mouth. Almond and caramel. And it's warm and it's flaky. You have to taste this. Wow.
Yeah, I have to say, with mine, the chocolate is so rich and, I don't know, just decadent. The chocolate itself, paired up with the croissant, yeah, is really, really fantastic. So let me try a bite of yours.
And there's like a glaze on it, like you would find on a glazed donut.
Really? Okay.
Wow.
I've got vanilla predominantly, but then almond, and then that glaze that you get on a glazed donut. Wow. That is really, really good, Jen. She's taking a picture of her coffee. So I'm going to try mine. They did a nice little fancy, schmancy. First meal in San Diego. It's easy, light, and it's a winner. How is it? Good?
You know how some iced coffees aren't really icy? They're kind of, you can taste how they were just poured over ice.
Yeah, it's good.
This is decadent.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly, this
You'll
is
like
definitely a good first choice for our first meal here in San Diego.
I want to taste yours.
Wow.
Oh, that's rich.
It's good, but yours is kind of sort of knock your socks off good.
And it's not overly sweet.
Where mine is just a really, really good, decadent, rich, chocolatey coffee. Yeah, I think this is definitely a good choice here today, Izola Bakery
This was
in
a
San
good
Diego.
choice.
Yeah, definitely is.
All right, let's see.
All right, so you're going to try a little bit of the chocolate. Good, isn't it? I was showing just how rich and creamy looking the chocolate is in the croissant, and the
That's
croissant
delicious.
itself is really light and flaky.
Wow.
Yeah, these are two really, really good choices today.
Yeah.
What did you just say to me?
I said this is better than cake bake. Sorry, cake bake, but this is decadent.
Yeah, you love the coconut. What was it called? A cake bake? The coconut cream latte?
The coconut ice latte.
Coconut ice latte.
This is an iced coconut cream latte.
I didn't think you were going to drink anymore.
That's excellent. I dare say that's the best coffee drink I've ever had in my whole life.
Yeah, that really is good. Like, I like my mocha, and I drank all of my mocha, but that,
It's not overly sweet. It's creamy. It's delicious.
Yeah.
The coffee and the coconut
Yeah.
swirled together. With,
yeah.
It's really good.
I'm going to eat the ice cubes now.
Okay, so I did some research on the Izola Bakery. The Izola Bakery officially opened its doors on June 10th, 2020. That's important. Remember that year.
Oh
Founded-
yeah, how can you forget that year?
Founded by Jeffrey Brown and Jennifer Chen during the pandemic, the bakery became known for its unique method of lowering croissants from a third-floor window in a basket to customers below.
Interesting.
I love that.
Yeah.
I do believe it's the best bakery in the country. If not the best, it's damn well close to
Yeah.
it. The food was excellent in my opinion. The coffee was, that's the best coffee drink I've ever had.
Yeah.
I'm gonna rate this meal definitely a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was very, very good.
I think
it was
it's
very,
a
very good.
great way, the first great meal of our vacation.
First of many, I'm sure.
Yeah. So now, Joe, where are we heading next?
So next in our San Diego journey for the day is going to be Coronado Island. Is it an island or is it a peninsula? I have to look
I'm
at
not
the
really
map.
sure.
But we have to take a bridge across, and like Ariane had talked about this bridge, and she's like, no, I don't want to go over to the island because of this bridge. And I got a glimpse of the bridge, and I guess I never paid attention to it before when I was here before.
It looks a little
but
scary.
The bridge looks a little high. Anyway, not California high, you know. I mean, just high above the water. Anyways, we're going to go to the Coronado to see the Coronado Hotel, and the important fact about that hotel is that it is what Walt Disney used to model for the Grand Floridian Hotel in Orlando. So really excited to see this place. This is one of the things here in San Diego that we've not done before, so we're going to do that next.
Let me say something too. We almost stayed at the Coronado Resort for our honeymoon. It was on the list.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But we opted for Mexico instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So now
interesting.
I'm really excited to go see it.
Definitely.
Should we have stayed there? Was going to Mexico for our honeymoon a good choice?
Yeah.
We'll have to
Well,
see.
we'll see.